Every live feed on Virtual Storefronts is pinned to an exact set of coordinates to approximate the center of town. Today we'll be pinning Bangor's town center, and there is no guessing where that is. Everyone agrees West Market Square is the epicenter of Bangor, Maine. And it even used to have a metal sculpture before they moved it called Continuity of Community. I grew up hanging out in West Market Square in Bangor, Maine with a skateboard. So here it is. These are the exact coordinates of West Market Square. And I am going to go ahead and hit update, and we are going to create Bangor's hometown live feed. You see it's called hometown. Now, anyone in the world can follow Bangor, Maine with a free shopper account on Virtual Storefronts. And this is a free shopper account on Virtual Storefronts. And we have been adding feeds slowly in our pilot over the past few months, getting ready to open nationwide, which is today. Today is the first day of our nationwide opening. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add the hometown live feed. And we see right there, we go here to the hometown live feed. We're going to hit the thumbs up button down here. Boom. And now when we go back to our shopper account, hometown Maine is now in the live feed. In the words of Maine's motto, the way life should be, Bangor stands out like a place unlike any other. And we're very much looking forward to putting downtown Bangor online with Virtual Storefronts. Welcome to Virtual Storefronts, hometown Maine, and Dr. Records, our soundtrack for Bangor, which always needs a soundtrack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Virtual Storefronts.